Well, there's a police car down there. So instead of going right next to it like originally planned, we're just going to stay here by a hospital, the nearby hospital, just in case if there's something going on, you know. Well, it went off despite the clouds. The clouds looking like stormy clouds, especially down there. That looks pretty dark. So, test was mostly successful, other than how we couldn't really get that close to it. Well, one day I'll try to go up there and actually film it going off up close. But for now, this is all we have. Alright, well, see you down in South Dakota.